Now, while our local weather here on Earth might be a bit boring over the next couple of days, there's about to be plenty of excitement in the sky later tonight. NASA is launching a multi-million-dollar satellite. The spacecraft is called PACE, which stands for Plankton, Aerosol, Cloud, Ocean Ecosystem, and the goal is to monitor our planet in a way we've never been able to do so before. It's NASA's first global climate observatory that will advance the way we look at things that impact us here in the DMV, like air quality impacts from wildfires.
PACE is going to be able to decipher smoke from dust, from sea spray, from clouds, from salt, and really knowing where all those aerosols are coming from and how they're interacting with each other, how they're interacting with the ocean, and how they're moving around the Earth is really important. In terms of tracking wildfire smoke, we can understand where it's coming from, we can understand where it's going, and that can be plugged into both local climate models and really important local air quality and health models to make sure that we know the risk and the impact of wildfires or smoke.
And the other thing you mentioned were algae blooms, something we also deal with here in the DC area. Talk a little bit more about how we can gain a better understanding of these algae blooms and specifically what this PACE data means for folks that live near water.
So existing satellites, they tell you, okay, there's an algal bloom there based on the reflection of chlorophyll, which is green. So PACE is going to be able to reflect all the different colors around green. And so every phytoplankton species has different characteristics and has different reflection of color. So for the first time, NASA, through the PACE mission, is going to be able to understand not just what's there, but who's there. And the who's there is really important for both ecosystem health and human health.
Now, this mission has been 21 years in the making, and liftoff is scheduled to take place overnight at 1:33 Tuesday morning. And if you're up late or early, you can watch the launch live on NASA's website. For more information, just visit our WUSA9 app or WUSA9.com.
Caitlin, it sounds like a great new tool to get some precise readings on a number of different things. But what is it overall that makes this mission so important? How is it going to be helpful?
Adam, Erin from NASA had a great reference when it comes to understanding the complexities of this mission. She said to think of all of NASA's satellites in orbit as a box of crayons. You can have 8 colors you can draw your whole color with, but PACE is like the mega pack of crayons with 289 crayons to draw with. It will just give us so much more detail when it comes to looking at the Earth and the air and the ocean and just overall our climate system.